Hey guys, my name is Scoby. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add hashtags to the top of your videos in YouTube. These hashtags are going to appear right above your title. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to add them to your videos. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing you want to do is come to your YouTube dashboard. Now, I'm currently still using the old version, but if your YouTube dashboard looks slightly different, don't worry. What you want to do is locate to your video manager where you can see a full list of all your videos. And now we're going to be selecting one of the videos in which we want to add our hashtags to. In this case, I'm going to be using my how to set up upload defaults on YouTube video as an example. So what you want to do is come to your description and you want to add hashtags into the description. Now how this works is you can put the hashtags anywhere in your description and YouTube will pick up the first 3 hashtags found in the description and use them on your video. Now currently you can only set 3 hashtags on a video, so try to use stuff that's most relevant to your video. So in this case, what I'm going to be doing is underneath my main body of a description, I'm going to be adding 3 hashtags. I'm going to be adding YouTube upload as a hashtag. I'm going to be adding hashtag tutorial, and I'm going to be adding hashtag upload defaults. Now what you want to do is once these hashtags are added, you want to save the changes to your video. Now you may want to wait a minute or 2 before you actually click onto your video to try see your hashtags, as it can take a second or 2 for them to appear. But if we open our video into a new tab, we should see our hashtags appear at the very top of our video. As you can see, they do. This is another way to get your video out there, to put it into more groups. And I'm sure it's going to act as more important SEO to get your video out there and get more attention to it. And it's really easy to do. Anyway guys, it's that easy to add hashtags to your YouTube videos. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. So if you enjoyed this video, I'd recommend checking that out to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.